been a while since I've done a video. I've unwrapped it once, so it's different looking plastic. And everything's installed in the back. The lights have been tested, the wires have been run, and now we're moving on to the front engine compartment. And what have I been doing? Well, I replaced this apron piece right here. I put the old one in from the previous car, which has the vent on it. And I'm getting ready to paint it. I've scuffed it up, sanded it. It wasn't a whole lot to do because it was actually new stuff. But got the plastic on it. I've used a Scotch-Brite pad in addition to some 600 grit all over it. And next I will do is shoot it with Sims Trim Black. Probably dilute it 50-50 with a lacquer thinner to get the pattern that I want. I don't want it too shiny, don't want it too flat, so that's what's usually worked for me. Anyway, just thought I'd give you a look-see. Before I paint the front. And this is sort of my, I know I've been kind of slow doing this, but we've had some issues. Anyway, so next I'll paint this. I'll paint under the engine, the transmission tunnel, about a foot and a half. I'll fog the cross member up there good. And then I'll move on to the rear wheel well openings, or not wheel well openings, but the wheel wells, and trim those up, make sure the undercoating is solid, replace it if I have to, and shoot it with some just a cover coat of some undercoating to make it look good and black. Anyway, at that point I'll be ready to start doing mechanical work to the car. Other than the rear end, we'll put the fuel lines and the fuel and the brake lines. We'll install that on the car, and there'll be a proportion valve that goes right here on the inside. That'll help direct everything. And from then we'll probably just little things. It gets kind of good to get to the point where you can start adding to a car rather than taking away from it. But that's the plan for now, and I'll give you another look-see when the paint's on the front engine bay and shock towers and the like. Anyway, thanks. Bye. Okay. Last video, or the last video segment I did, we had sanded the inside of the engine bay, and we had gotten it ready to paint. I blew it off with the air gun, and I wiped it down with paint remover to degrease it, and now it's ready to go. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to shoot this in Sims Trim Black. Hopefully it'll turn out okay. So I'm going to get ready, and the next time we come up, I'll be getting ready to paint. Thanks. Okay, let's start painting. Let me get geared up here, and I'll be here directly. close-ups of what I did. Usually Sims Trim Black mixed 50-50 with lacquer thinner produces a sort of a medium sheen. If I modify the lacquer thinner ratio, I can get anything from a very flat back black, excuse me, to a pretty shiny finish. Depends how much thinner you put in it and the temperature. But anyway, looks pretty good. There's a place I missed, so I'll have to shoot that again. The firewall looks good. Overspray's right up there. Oh, down here looks good. Sure, this is video editor. We'll go ahead and fast forward through some of this so you won't be bored to death. Let me get out of here before the fumes get to me, as she would warn me. Thanks.